My name is Braulio Castleyton. I have 27 years old. I am professional agronomy student. I am sane. I consider a keen person and commit to meet things. I like to play soccer and listen to music. I like ancient Kira. I am from Boyaca. The creation of the habits. The one is the computer and the two is the television. The computer is better than the TV. The house is motivational. The TV is entertaining, but it's less than the computer. The computer is nice, but when there is not internet. It's more boring than the TV. They are smart TV, but they are not faster than the computer. The TV will always be bigger than the computer. I am happy with the computer and the TV, the house, the two of them make me happy. Thank you very much.